The Rigid Industries Ignite series of lights are the most compact in the range, but don't let their small size fool you. These powerful little lights are perfect for motorbikes, helmets, work or reversing lights. The compact size and weight makes these ideal for many applications where you need to light up an area. The Ignite Diffusion is a genuine pocket rocket. It weighs in at just 108 grams and it's rated to 12 watts of power. It draws a tiny 0.85 of an amp and it creates 1,000 raw lumens. It'll throw a great spread of wide light 60 metres down the road. The Ignite series features everything you've come to expect from the team at Rigid Industries. There's a super strong aluminium housing with all mounting hardware that offers plenty of adjustment and high quality stainless steel fittings. The surface mount Ignite range comes complete with clever GoPro style mounts that are quick and easy to install just about anywhere. Security kits are also available to ensure your lights stay where you mounted them. To find out more or to order a set for yourself, log on to snakeracing.com.au.